Welcome back. Continuing the news. The roads in some communities in St. Elizabeth are now in tatters after weeks of heavy rain. It sparked fears as rains continue, even as NSWMA teams work to clear blocked roadways. Krista Campbell has this TVJ News follow-up.
We were flooded out yesterday. Water came into the building and you can see the debris and everything. It was terrible yesterday.
That road, if the rain fall one more day, no car can go out, no car can come in. Further up, that road cut off from yesterday. No car can come down. So we have a problem around here.
The images are telling. Flood rain said to be pelting northwestern St. Elizabeth communities every day from mid-February up to today have disfigured roads, inundated yards, blocked access to shops and other businesses across the constituency.
Dry Harbour that is flooded now. The road leading to Carisbrook from Lacovia, that one is impassable as we speak. The Holland Mountain Road as well is impassable, and the Lacovia to Burn Savannah as well, that road too is impassable. The workmen are currently working on that one to have it cleared.
At a section of the Lacovia to Burnt Savannah Main Road, a literal facelift has left the water pipeline exposed and the fence of a nearby property hanging by a thread. The Member of Parliament says he's working with the National Works Agency to have the roads cleared as soon as possible, but there's concern about lives and property as the rains persist.
When you have the heavy rains, then you know you have debris coming down, you have a whole lot of silt, and as such, some of the drains would need to now be cleaned again.
Anybody can walk in and just drop off in there and they die at the same time. We need proper road infrastructure. The Lacovia Bridge need proper road infrastructure.
So the water is coming from up the hill and off the Holland Estate property. So I don't know if they could make a channel the water somewhere else. I don't know, because if the water keep coming here, we can't live here, and this is where I call home. I don't have anywhere else to go, and I've been living here from I was a child, and now I'm 63 years old.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.